Horses sound buhayang baro pass moving up the warrior outside is grand jackpot Darna double touch in double force an impressive victory running by Drella with grand jackpot the leader by about 2 lengths Darna outside second impressive victory in third alongside fourth comes buhayang baton double touch Sting is running by Drella next in line is top line and a long way back to Footloose and it's still grand jackpot Darnari outside second. Impressive victory still in third position. Then followed by Buhayang Bato. And it's still grand jackpot. Enjoying a lengthy Darna still in second. Impressive victory. Now trying to get closer in third. Buhayang Bato. As the field turns for home. And it's still grand jackpot. Darnari outside. Impressive victory in third. And it's still grand jackpot by about 2.5 lengths. Darnari outside impressive victory. And it's still grand jackpot this time by about 3 lengths over Darna impressive victory. Last 50 meters from start to finish, it's grand jackpot. Second is Darna impressive victory. Close Buhayang Bato Sting. Then comes Noble Touch.
Okay, racing fans, race number 3 is over and crossing to our first grand jackpot under the comebacking. Jonathan Dangan Huko. Coming in second, Darna, then comes Impressive Victory, Buwayang Bato, and Sting for your Pentafecta. 78134.